Good evening everyone. How are you all? I am Shivani Sharma, teacher of DIP School teaching science, and today I am with you to discuss about the topic that is human heart. It is a topic related to class 5th. This you will see, this is the human heart. As you all know that we have blood in our body, and blood is a type of connective tissue. It flows through an organ which is known as heart. Our human heart is divided into mainly 4 chambers, that is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. The blood in the heart comes out from arteries or veins. Arteries carry pure blood and veins carry impure blood. Now I am going to talk about how is the blood transfer in the human heart. Firstly, through veins, the blood enters into the superior vena cava, which you will see is of bluish color. That is, it does not consist of blood or oxygen. Blood is without oxygen. It is deoxygenated blood. Firstly, the deoxygenated blood enters into the right atrium. When the right atrium completely filled, these tricuspid valves, these valves get open and the blood enters with pressure into the right ventricle. As a tricuspid valve, a sound is produced in heart which is known as lub. Now from the right ventricle, the blood goes through pulmonary artery into the lung. As you all know that arteries carry pure blood, but here is an exception, that is pulmonary artery, which carries impure blood. It carries impure blood to the lungs. Here in lungs, the blood get oxygen and it get oxygenated. Now this oxygenated blood enters into the left atrium. From the left atrium, through bicuspid valves, the blood enters into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the blood transfer throughout the body, that is, the oxygenated blood enters throughout the body through left ventricle. This is the main circulation of blood in human heart. As you know that blood enters twice in human heart, firstly from vena cava and secondly from lungs. That's why the circulation of blood in human heart is double. Firstly, it enters in through superior vena cava, then through pulmonary artery, that is double circulation. And lub sounds are produced because of closing and opening of tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves. This is whole working of human heart. I think you all could understand this. Thank you and have a nice day.